Hi everybody, today I want to show you how to fix the storage problems, how to clear uh, data or cache on your Samsung phone manually without having any third-party applications on your phone. So first thing you're going to start is by scrolling to look for settings. Once you open settings, you go down and look for applications. Here in settings, you look for applications, you click on that, and after clicking that, you are going to look for those applications that you use frequently, that you think they will have a lot of cache data, they're consuming a lot of data in your phone. And the only thing you're going to do is you're going to clear storage on your phone manually. So for me, I use Google Chrome a lot, I use Instagram, I use Twitter a lot, so I'm gonna open like Instagram. So once I open Instagram, I'm going to storage, and if you look at the storage, there's app, there's data, there's cache, there's the total. So for me, I'm more concerned about cache data. So the only thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the bottom right of my phone and click clear cache. Once I clear cache, the 200 MB are gone. So I have managed to free 200 MB of data on my phone manually. Once I've done that, I go back and I look for another application. Let's say what's the application that I use a lot. That's going to be YouTube. So I'm going to click on YouTube, and I'm going to click storage. And if you look at the cache data, 122 MBs of storage. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the bottom right of my phone and look for clear cache on the Samsung phones. I'm going to clear cache, and I've already free 122 MBs. So I go back, and you can do it to all the applications. You can just choose even those that you don't use oftenly. You can just look for if they have managed to have a lot number of cache data. You can just free storage manually without having any applications. You can do that to all the applications, and your phone will have less data, and you have managed to free a lot of storage. Thank you.